Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. So this is a top version. It means that this video is already taken and I'm doing like a voiceover. Okay, so taking advantage of the rain, let this be like the DOMINAR rain test. I'll be checking the tire grip, ABS, braking, I mean the both same, and handling and the pickup in the rain. I mean if the tire slips or not. And till now it's very good. It's very cold and I'm quite wet. And I don't know why there's so heavy traffic even in the rain. Yeah, I'm revving up like I mean it. And you can see the thunders going up. There was like a hailstorm before a few hours from the video taken. And even though it's a rash condition, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the ride. I'm sad that I'm getting mud on my bike, and I love the sound, the revving sound on higher RPM and higher speed. It's really good. Oh, it's like a pond on the road. It's like I'm riding on a river. Okay, so the pickup is very nice even in the rain. The tire doesn't slip at all. Maybe because it's like a new tire. It's MRF Rev C tire, specially made for the DOMINAR. Okay, so the braking so far is very nice. I haven't done like hard braking till now, but the ABS just controls the bike very perfectly. You can feel that ABS is like a little bit slow, but it's very efficient. That the tire never gets locked up. It works like if the tire slips, the brake is just released and suddenly again the brake is pressed, and it's like the brake press release continuously at very small amount of time, so the tire never slips like that. And it's very nice. The cornering is also like you can do it good confidence. You can feel that the bike won't fall down, the bike won't slip off. I don't know why the people, they are walking from the road and not the footpath. And the handling is also very nice. You can feel like you are controlling the bike all on your own, and the bike is listening to you completely. Like very good response. And the sound, I don't know why I'm loving it very much today. You can feel the power in your hand. Okay, so now it's not pitch road on the stone or marble like, and it's very good on here too. The brakes still don't slip even in this slippery surface. The brake is not slipping. Okay, so I'm going on a very narrow road called Goldi in Nepali. The handling is very nice even in this narrow, as you can see on the video. It's not very difficult in this bike, but in R15 It used to be a little hassle, and the view from the mirror is also very nice. You can feel like you can overtake any bikes in front of you. Of course, by bike I mean smaller cc bike, smaller than 400, and not the Duke 390. It's a very good bike. I'm happy I chose this instead of other bike like Benelli TNT 300, Apache RTR 200, and a few more bikes like that. Okay, so this surface is full of potholes, whatever you say. It's not very nice, but the shock of this bike really gives you the comfort. It just absorbs the shock so good that you don't feel the bounce in your body. Plus you can feel the bounce on the bike, but you won't feel that bounce in your body. Okay, so you can see this so beautiful tunnel on the cloud in the sky. You can comment whatever you like about the bike or any other stuff related to this, or related to something else also. And I'm very close to my house now, about 1.5 km left. So I'm liking the video quality and the shot and the angle of this shot, because I've just recently installed the chin mount. I mean, this is the first video using the chin mount, and it's irritating how the raindrop sticks to the lens. And even in the rain I went to speed like 90 plus. That's dangerous. You shouldn't try it. You shouldn't do it. You might be thinking that 90 plus is slow for Dominar 400, but according to this rainy condition and the narrow road, it's high. You should be riding in about maximum 50 to 60. Maybe that's also too much. I know this road. I've been here more than like 1,000 times. Twice daily. Okay, so about the bike, it's really good on the rain. It is same as when it's dry. Only because it's nighttime I feel a little scared to ride. But still, it's nice. It's very good. You should get one if you are planning to. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment whatever you want to. I'll respond to it, and any suggestion and feedback is very much appreciated. And I love you all.